looking good with Althea? Well, we're coming to the end of our Daniel fast, and it's been spiritually uplifting. And so today we decided on sharing one of our quick dish with you. Simple and quick. I will be making some food today, some ground provision like our bananas and some potatoes for the food part of it. I will be making something new that I've just experienced. Some oatmeal dumplings. Who said the oats could make dumpling tasting as good as our regular flour dumpling? You're not missing anything in the oatmeal dumpling. So I will be using regular oats. You can use whatever oats you like. I'm using my Okra Jamaican oat, but you can always use whatever oat. And I added just a little bit of oat flour, just a little bit. So here I have like a cup of oatmeal and maybe a quarter cup of the oat flour. The oatmeal itself can be made into the dumpling without the oat flour, but I just added a little of the oat flour. Then we will be, I have my green bananas here. I don't know if I mentioned that, and maybe some plantains in the food. I will be making a rundown sauce. And as usual, we'll be using coconut milk. I blended my dry coconut. Some people use the coconut from the can, but I chose to use my coconut. I like to use the coconut. And for our sauce, we'll be adding, our main ingredients will be okra. And we'll be adding some tomatoes, some onions, some bell peppers, and as always, we'll be using our peppers. Today, I will be using the country pepper. I'll add a little bit of scotch bonnet as well. And we'll be using our regular spice, a little sauce for our oats, salt for our oats. And that's just about it for the oats. And we'll be mixing it with water. So I will go ahead and add like a half a teaspoon of salt into this. I've already added my salt to the mixture. So now I'm going to pour some water to form the mixture together. Here we have our mix. Just like you would make regular dumplings, you need in your oats. I'll go ahead and add just a little sprinkle of oat flour to hold it again. Okay, so now our mixture is ready. We're going to form them into dumpling shape and put them in our hot boiling water. Nice look, dumpling look. Okay friends, I already had my water boiling, also the coconut milk for my sauce. I will start by putting in my oatmeal dumplings. I already added salt to the water. So I'll put my dumplings in, also my Irish potato. And back home in Jamaica we would peel the bananas, but here in America you wash them, mark them, put the mark, and then you put them in the pot. And I'm having a little piece of plantain as well. I will go ahead and cover the pot and let it boil for like 35 minutes until everything is nice and tender. We already have a custard here forming in our pot to make the rundown. I will have it cooked down a little bit more, and then a thicker custard, and then I will add my seasoning and also the okras and add spice to it. So here we have our onions, bell peppers, hot pepper, the Scotch bonnet pepper, and some thyme. I will be adding, if you notice, our coconut is making a custard, so I'll be adding them now to the sauce. Also, I'll be adding tomatoes as well. This will give it a nice color, and then we'll have it boil for like 3 minutes and then add our okras, because we don't want the okras to be too soft. We want them to be nice and crunchy in our sauce. I will now go ahead and add our okras in, mix, and add I have here a half a teaspoon of salt. You could season to taste. Season to taste. And some all-purpose seasoning added. I'll add a little bit of the 21 Salute. You can always season to your taste. And mix in and let it just simmer down until it's nice and crunchy. And we'll have our nice coconut custard in our okra. See, the colors are nice and pretty. We have our tomato, and you could see that our sauce is forming here. Nice, getting thick.
How long to let it cook down?
Maybe 5 minutes, because we don't want the okras to be too soft. Nice and crunchy. And then we have our dumplings here boiling. I noticed that the oatmeal dumplings give the pot a nice color, even though we have bananas in there. I did not have to add any oil or vinegar to get it clear. The oatmeal dumplings keep the color nice and clean.
And how long does that need to cook?
Well, 30 minutes, 35 minutes. Now friends, I have my oatmeal dumpling here, nicely done. So I am now going to add my okra cooked down in coconut sauce, that coconut rundown sauce with okra. It's nice, and we have our nice custard. So I'll go ahead and add to our plate. See the nice custard you got from the coconut. All right, so this is number one. We're going to do 2 plates. This is mashed potato. It's gonna be served with mashed potato. Not everyone is dumpling eater, but I am a dumpling eater. So I'll be eating my oatmeal. The oatmeal dumplings are very healthy. Don't have to eat too much carbs. It's good for cholesterol. If you're trying to cut down on your cholesterol, then that's the route to go. If you're a dumpling lover, you could eat the oatmeal dumplings. Here we have our nice custard, coconut custard, coconut okra rundown, nice. Okay folks, dinner is served. Our mashed potatoes and our rundown okras and some tomatoes. And over here we have our oatmeal dumplings and plantain, bananas, and some mangoes to top it off. I am going to cut into our oatmeal dumpling. See, it's still as firm as a regular dumpling. I've tasted my dumplings and I'm loving them. So I am going to eat. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you next time with our next recipe, or breadfruit salad. Thank you for watching and enjoy with me.